First step to installing a new printhead cable on an Elegoo centauri carbon is remove all of the foam tape on the left, back and right sides of the machine, and then undo all the screws that sit in those holes there, and across there. The next step is to remove the bottom cover of the centauri carbon and then unplug this cable right here. Hang on, there we go. The last step is to unplug the cable at the tool head, and normally there would be two screws holding it in, but as I mentioned earlier, I modified my machine as a temporary solution till I got the new cable, so the end that should have the screws was in the motherboard. That is not normal. Do not use that temporary solution, just wait for the cable to arrive. So now plug in the cable at the tool head, run it through the cable chain, feed it in under here, which you can now lift up because you have because the thing has been unscrewed, and then feed it in behind this motor here, and then down through this wiring thingy here into the base of the printer where the electronics go. Once you have fed the cable down into the electronics compartment of the printer, all you have to do is plug it in, and then it should be good. Before you stick the base of the printer back on, do a test, make sure it can heat up. You may have the cable around the wrong way. I have plugged it in and I am now heating it up to 222 degrees Celsius, and it is climbing quickly, which suggests that it is working fine. So I am now going to put the base back on the machine and start a test print. Once that is done, screwing the top of the printer back together again would be a good idea as well. As you can see, the replacement cable has worked just fine, and it printed in all infill shape. I did have to re-level it, and there were some things that I had to do before printing. Number one was reinstall the foam tape around the outsides, and number two was screw the printhead cable into the printhead.